better tell me what you know, Paper. I'm watching you. Private with the fish? That's not fair. Give me fish or you're arrested. You're under arrest.
Why did you punish your teacher?
Because he didn't give me the fish. My mom just punished me for weeks. Don't worry. I am giving revenge at school.
I'm angry because of you. I am giving a lesson to you.
Guys, don't tell the teacher I'm a box, okay? Okay. Have you ever seen the cat with a blue Janet? No, it's in Ohio. Beepity too. Fun. We told the teacher it was all a mistake. Thank you, guys. Guys, don't make a sound. The teacher is coming.
Hey, leave my friend alone. If you hit my friend, and then my friends and me,
are gonna be the boss.
leave my friend alone. If you hit my friend, and then my friends and me,
are gonna be the boss. Take that. Meow. Hiss me. Not this time. Hiss. You are under arrest.
what did I do?